Hello, people, and welcome back to another tropical update. Today is May 24th, 2025, and hurricane season is back on. Well, officially, hurricane season started a few days ago in the Eastern Pacific, and will begin in the Atlantic on June 1st in only a week. The main things to talk about now are forecasts for the season, along with a quite anomalous storm developing near Mexico. As of 2 days ago, the NOAA released its official forecast predicting an above-average hurricane season in the North Atlantic. They're currently forecasting 13 to 19 named storms, which are storms that are tropical storm strength or higher. Of those storms, 6 to 10 of them will reach hurricane strength, and 3 to 5 of those will go even further to major hurricane status. These are storms with Category 3 strength or stronger. Along with these, we'll have our new list of storm names for the year, with the first name going to be Andrea, and then we have Barry, Chantal, Dexter, Aaron, Ferdinand, Gabrielle, Humberto, Imelda, Jerry, Karen, Lorenzo, Melissa, Nestor, Olga, Pablo, Rebecca, Sebastian, Tanya, Van, and Wendy. In my opinion, with my experience, I feel like this hurricane season is gonna be a big wild card, especially with the La Nina and El Nino currently being stuck in a weird transition phase. Though, it does seem like it is trending towards tipping back into a La Nina, which does tend to increase hurricane activity around the Atlantic. Looking at this graph, negative values indicate a La Nina phase and positive values indicate an El Nino phase. As of now, the graph has fallen slightly into the negatives, but it seems quite uncertain which direction it will go. Looking at ocean temperatures, you can see a big spike of cold water stretching out across the equator near South America. This is a sign that a La Nina may be developing. Meanwhile, speaking of ocean temperatures, another factor that has been mildly concerning me is the sea surface temperatures, with temperatures in the Atlantic reaching 29 Celsius, 84 Fahrenheit, and over on the other coast it is reaching even higher, at up to 31 Celsius, which is a piping hot 88 Fahrenheit. These temperatures are astonishingly high for this time early in the season. And I only feel like this can be like some foreshadowing that the season may bring some high intensity hurricanes. Is moving on from the forecast and taking a look at what's happening now, we can see not much is yet happening yet in the Atlantic, and it does not seem like anything will develop soon. On the other hand, over in the East Pacific, there was already a high risk area which has the potential to become an early hurricane. In fact, the GFS model, which is the main computer model used for hurricanes, has been going crazy, forecasting the storm may even intensify into a major hurricane. GFS has been consistently showing that for days, with each model run, there was even model runs earlier that forecasted the storm to reach a pressure of 929 millibars, which could be a Category 4 storm. Luckily, though, it seems that there's pretty much 0% chance that this storm will hit land at its peak intensity. Well, for now, this is pretty much all that is going on with the tropics around North America. I'll be making sure to make an update whenever something occurs. So, thanks for watching, and remember to hope for the best and prepare for the worst, and to stay safe this summer. Goodbye.